Hello, everybody. This is the demo for my new project, MinuteMaster, which is a program that's designed to help you take minutes for your business meetings as well as make the agendas. And so there's two parts of this program. The first is the agenda builder, and the second is the minutes maker. So let's just get started with the agenda. Well, first of all, you'll notice that it signs in with your Microsoft account. And so it'll have access to everyone who is in your company and will be able to send out all of the invitations to the meetings as well as anything else like any tasks that get assigned during the meetings. This is TinyMCE. It's a text editor. It works fully. You can write whatever you want in there. But over here is where the actual formatting is done. And so we can make a minute name. Maybe we call it test and pick a time, as well as picking the people from your company to see who wants to or who is required to be at the meeting. And then you can add infinite of many talking points and whatever else you might want to have as like talking points during the meeting. Now, when we press finalize agenda, two things will happen. First of all, we will get this PDF that will have the saved PDF. Now, this can be edited so you can customize it however you want, but it's important to put in the people who you want to have in the meeting, select them here in this area rather than just writing it into the document, because the emails of the people that you select will be saved, and then all of this document will be emailed out to them as well as the calendar invite for the meeting. And the second thing you'll notice is that when we go back home and this signs in with Microsoft, now this agenda is in our list of agendas that we've created. Now, once you've finished with the agenda, once you've made the minutes, you can delete an agenda. However, now when we press start minutes, when we're actually in the meeting, you can press start minutes, and this is where the minutes taking software comes in. It'll ask if you want to create minutes based on this agenda, and you can say okay. And so now we'll have the name of the meeting time, as well as the attendees, which is down here, and then the agenda points. Now, this works perfectly as just, we can talk about we talked about business, or, you can have all that sort of thing. There is also an AI generated minutes, which is basically, I'll start recording now. You can choose either concise or detailed. And so now that we're recording, there should be a transcript of what we are saying down here. And so you can pick between concise and detailed. Concise will give you 3 or 4 one sentence minutes, and the detailed will just give you one long thing, which is basically just looking at the transcript and just making it read well in terms of making it flow better and more concisely for getting put into the document. Down here, there is add task, which basically you'll have. So add task, you can call the task whatever you'd like. You can pick a deadline. And again, you can select from the people that you want to add. Now, this will only be the people that you selected that will be attending the meeting from the agenda. And so you can select that, say add. Maybe we'll add me. And then we can add this task to the document, and it will do two things. One is physically add it to the document, and two is save the names and the emails. Well, so this is on the front, you can only see the names, but behind the scenes, they're all the emails. And every single task will have the emails attributed to them, and that will get sent out, and all the invites will get sent out to the people after the meeting is finalized. Now, here's the transcript is looking long enough, so maybe we'll press Get AI Minutes, which will reset the transcript recording. And now we'll get something up the top here that says, add this point to the document. And it says, meeting was focused on, this is just basically a reiteration of the transcript. And so we'll go add, maybe add this one, maybe not add this one, add add this one, add this one, not add this one, add this one. And then that'll all get added. And this will help people actually, whoever's taking the minutes doesn't have to focus as hard on taking the minutes, and they can actually start, contributing to the meetings rather than having to be completely focused on writing basically turning the transcript into minutes. And so, this will increase efficiency when actually taking the minutes during the meeting so that the person who's taking them can contribute effectively. But also, when you finalize it, you don't have to individually send out all of the task requirements into people's inboxes. You can just, it'll just automatically do that for you. Now, unfortunately, I can't actually demonstrate the sending out because I made this with my school email, and my school won't allow me to have the permissions to to make programs that send out emails to people, which is fair enough. There is code that would let you send out the emails, and I do have it. I just can't test it because I don't have that permission. When you press finalize minutes, you will also get a minutes document, which is the same sort of thing. It's saved, and this is also a PDF, so you can edit this whenever you want. But anyway, I hope this is something that you might be interested in. Yeah, if you want to look at some more things that I've done, you can look at my website, which is birdiedev.netlify.app. And yeah, see you guys later.